Usne must be careful in terms of her comments towards her father's wives and their marriage to her father, because she's gonna get burnt in the process. Musa Mseleku won't be there to defend her. He's gonna stand back and just watch everything unfold. And she forgot that she was on a whole apology tour in the previous season, and now she's doing this. She's throwing shady comments at Umangwabe. She's definitely gonna regret this. And when they do confront her about this whole thing, she's just gonna be crying about this whole situation.
And it's name a babe. Wabona Mpilo, utwata beng tsa batho ba bagolo. Pilo doesn't like ukifakela karato tsa batho ba bagolo. You must learn from Mpilo, because that shade that you're prepared to throw on Umba.
Yo, Aisana Usne must just stick to izingane zesithembu, because anothando nesithembu yazini ungena nje indaba ezingamfuni. Like, how do you advise your father, based off of one situation, by the way, based off of the fact that one of his wives blocked him at some point, and now you're saying because those wives have now moved into their new homes, that moving forward, if that should ever happen again, he must basically start paying for those homes. Now, we have established that all three wives are very much by a sebenzela, right? Except for Umacele. However, my issue is that when you are thinking about the wives, you're not even thinking about your siblings. And I hate to have agreed with Musa, because Musa actually brought up the fact that I can't close the tab on my wife without thinking about my children who live in those homes. So usne kahle kahle yini le ayikhuluma. And usne yena self uyakhohlwa ukuthi yamhlula indlu yasemzumbi. Uyakhohlwa futhi ukuthi yena noMbali had an issue. There was a confrontation, and so she wants to now circle back and feel their tension. If I get that Usne is an adult, but I also feel like because she's still a child at the end of the day, Umusa still needs to reprimand her, because ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, Sikatel. Then I also wanted to chat about the whole situation with Utobile saying, Utivele, there will never be anyone like Umake, whether ukuluma ngai, ufake impahla ezifana nezakhe, and you eat from the same plate, using the same spoon, and whatever the case is, you will never be her. And you know what? Bars, because vele, no one's ever going to be like Utobile. But it really did dawn on me, Uguti, Umusa really did Utobile dirty by going as far as marrying or having a child with someone who is from La Umakumalo is actually from, and it really was to spite her, to say, Guti, I can find your replacement. And I think Umusa really was set in seeing Utobile fold, but unfortunately that wasn't the case, because we serve a living God, and Madlozi kaThobile will never deny her of great things. But I also need us to have a very candid conversation about Uthobile, because while this is what we're also watching, we actually don't know what is happening behind closed doors when the cameras aren't rolling. Because on the one hand, they spend Christmas together. It seems like everything was okay. The next, it seems like Uthobile wants to leave. And Mina, as much as I don't like to impose, but I just wanted to leave, man. Like, I don't think I can tolerate people who will complain about the same thing and not do anything about it. And that's my biggest wish for Uthobile, is that she actually realizes that she is far bigger than the program, and she actually leaves and she does her own thing. But yeah, I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's really irritating me that she's still in that marriage and with everything that's going on.
I hope Sneh is drafting an apology letter with 300 words max, or rather just dig a hole and hide for the rest of the year. And if you happen to be a stepchild and you still think like Sneh, please allow me to help you wake up. Because the reality of this country is that most households are held down by women. That is something we hardly talk about. That is something we shame. So if you happen to have a brother who is successful and your brother is married, or you happen to have a stepmother because your father remarried and your father is known to be a successful man in this community, he has taxis, he tenders, he's a businessman, and that's what he's known for. He's got so much respect in the community. What you don't know is that when the business is not doing well, you don't also get to hear that side because of the wife. There are times where your stepmother has to carry the entire family financially because your father is struggling or your father's business is struggling. There are times where your brother cannot provide for his family and his wife is carrying the family financially, and you don't get to hear about that because the wife respects the husband, the wife protects the husband's dignity. And because this wife has kids with this man, she is going to protect him at all costs. But the day your brother dies, that's when you get to hear, hape motho ba wele ene sala iwa ka 2005. All along, the wife built this house out of loans. All along, the kids' school fees was being paid by the wife. All along, the clothes that you see the kids wear was bought by the wife. But you, all along, were saying, ka tjhelete papaka, ka tjhelete ya butiaka, ska mona ala so, Louis Vuitton ela, koloi tjela, ne swantse di drive ke mamaka. Hey, Lena. Stay out of people's finances. Stay out of people's marriages. Just don't comment. If you're a child, just stay out and you go visit your father and you find this huge house and it's well furnished and just go visit your father and leave. Go see your siblings and leave. Don't go there and stir up trouble and say, yeah, my father's money, when
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Uthando Nesithembu viewers are sending messages and warnings as to Usine Mseleku kokuthi gela uzozisola. Bathi Tindo Snela tikhuluma ngebafati bababo wakhe indlela bakhuluma ngakhona Nkosi yami, but it's gonna backfire nje. It's just gonna backfire because my comments elanawo ngebafati bababo hlezi bababo wakhe hlezi angekho manhle. Some people are even saying ukuthi akafunze kumpilo kangento indzaba ade abantu labadzala uhlezi nje athi hlalile ekhoneni lakhe ukuthi kwendakalani. She doesn't care, akakhomenti, utithulele nje, minding her business. So people are saying ukuthi gele uyobe sewukhala la uhawulise TV so uzama ukuqolisa bangafuni bani ukuqolila because you are so disrespectful. Uyathelela uyekela nje kusayida nababo wakho, yekela khuluma abafati bababo bakho kabi, phuma nje endzabeni tabo. Do comment your thoughts when down on the comment section. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.